myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So in this video we'll be discussing about Microsoft Recruitment Drive 2021. So Microsoft is hiring for the role of software engineer job profile and it is available for three different job locations: Hyderabad, Bangalore and Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So you might be thinking that here it is written that applications no longer accepted. It is only due to some technical issue or it is on the temporary basis, because if you see carefully, the job was posted on 30th March 2021 and today's date is 1st April 2021 on which the video is recorded. 1st April 2021 night at 10 p.m. So only one day in between. So in 1 to 2 days it is not possible that the job profile will be closed or the filled. So due to some technical issue, the application process, they are not accepting the application process or applications at this moment. But whenever they have opened the registration process, will be putting the link. So obviously we have already put this link in the description of this video. Go through the link and check whether it's active or not. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. And before discussing further, right now Accenture and Deloitte and Cognizant, HCL, Euclion and Siemens are hiring for different job profiles. So we have made a video on different videos regarding different off campus. So we'll be putting the links of the latest off campus drives or the apply links in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to know about the application process, the selection process or the last date to apply for the off campus. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria for this Microsoft off campus. Roles and responsibilities, if you see, software engineers are primarily responsible for the planning, understanding customer requirements, assisting with the project planning, scoping and the prioritization, providing the estimates, identifying the task ownership, etc. So now let's discuss about the eligibility or the qualification required. BE Tech, MEM Tech, MS degree in computer science or any other related quantitative field with minimum CGPA of 8 out of 10. That means minimum 8 CGPA or 80 percentage required for this off campus. It is only valid for the BE Tech or MEM Tech. That means all the graduation degree percentage. It is not mandatory for the 10th or the 12 percentage. If you have 60 or 70 75 percentage in the 10th or 12th, is fine. But for the BE Tech, you must be having 8 CGPA out of 10. It's mandatory. Then ability to write clean, well crafted code with an emphasis on the quality, simplicity, durability and the maintainability. All these are the things required for a effective coding or the effective software developer. Consider the customer's perspective and experience when implementing the solutions. So these are the required. And location, as we discussed earlier, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida. As per your convenience, you can join. So one thing more I need to highlight here. So any year of pass out batch candidates can apply for this off campus. They have not mentioned anything. 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22 year of pass out candidates can apply. And experience required is any year of experience. That means fresh graduates can also apply for this off campus. So if you are interested for this off campus, simply click on the apply now button. But the apply now button is not present at this moment. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. Click on the link. So we'll be posting this video in the YouTube the next day morning. So I guess the job, or you can say this company or the Microsoft will be accepting the applications or the registrations at that moment. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus or any other off campus, or you have any doubt regarding your career or learning, etc., you can comment in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.